In my last videos, I have demonstrated how to use the Gemini CLS to do your job on your host. For example, you can verify if your lab setup is okay, and also automatically generates your lab menu for you. But all you need to do is if you join the Gemini CLIs, if you use the Google account service, then all your data will be sent to the Google Cloud and let them analysis and process for you. But if you have some public data, sensitive information, you do not want to send to the cloud, to the Google Cloud to analysis. And if you have the running the local LLM, such as using the Ollama, using the local LLM, then you can still use the AI terminal to help you to process your sensitive data. So one of the methods is like this. You can just write your Python program so that, of course, you need to access your Ollama. So that make sure your Ollama is running okay at the back. So this is running okay at the back. And then you can just run this little program, okay? This is only, let me see. This program is only about within 200 lines. Okay, so I will post this program on my GitHub so that you can run this program here, and then you can choose the available LLM that run on your Ollama. For example, I choose 30s, okay? So that you can just run, for example, run ls. They will try to examine what file is here. Okay, then you can just, okay, please list the subject title in my mailbox here. And then it will tell you what the subject's titled in your mailbox here. For example, this demo, okay? For example, I have some private email I don't want to send to the cloud service to process, but if I have the local LLM through the Ollama, then I can connect to our Ollama and then pass the data to run it in the local Ollama. Okay, so then I will say that extract the email with the subject title, with this title, and write it to a file. And then it will execute, try to extract, we have, for example, this demo mailbox only have a free mail, okay? So that it will see that, it will write to the demo EML extract here. So that I look at the, okay, the test 7 here. Okay, so I have, let me see that. Okay, the mail in the test 2 have been extracted to write to the, let me see if I have run ls here. Okay, so that you have here, so that you can just run cat this file, so that, okay, it will extract the message, the email from the mailbox with the title with this one, so that you can just process your sensitive data, some private data within your intranet without sending to outside of the cloud. So that you can see here, so 7 here, so that you have, okay, you have this one here. Okay, and other, this is an other public domain AI terminal here. So one of them is the use the Aider-Chat here, so that you make sure you exploit your Ollama API base here, and then you run the Ollama model here. For example, I run this model here. Okay, so it will create a web flow for you, and then create it in this test 7 directory. Okay, so I can tend to run the ls here, so that it will ask you if you want to the output to include in the tag here. So that is yes here, and then I want to run cat, so that I want to tell the LLM what to do for me. So that I have a prompt file here, file here. So that I cat here. So that it will say that, okay, you are the cybersecurity expert, and then try to analyze network security analysis, and then you need to do this, identify attacker, vectors, etc., and give the recommendation for countermeasure, etc. So that it will answer if you want to the output to the chart here. So that yes here. Then I want to analyze this PK file. Okay, this is a demonstration that I have used for the pen text. Okay, so I use so I tell the AI terminal to run this one using these parameters, and then to this PK file. Then it will just give me the output here. There's an output here, and then it's asked if you want to include it in your chart, current chart. Yes. Then I run remind them to do the analysis. So I said, please analyze the TCP dump output according to the prompt here. So it will go into the my backend Ollama, this LM, and try to analyze the output according to my prompt here. So it will say that the summary of finding here is something that you want to get the ETC password information here, and it will also can analyze the attacker ID, the MAC address, the IP address, the victim address, victim IP address, etc. And it also it give me the countermeasure here. Give me the countermeasure here, and also to subject the user rule to detect and block these activities. Okay. So that there's some syntax here. Anyway, they will fix the error for you. Okay, it will go to say that there's no file name. Okay, so and then it will do it again. Maybe I need to specify. Okay, so that they will create a user class rule here. I'll say yes. Okay, let me go to into. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it will create a unicast rule here, so that, and then let me see what it do. Okay, okay. Please, I instruct him. Please, say your finding and subjections of countermeasure to a file in these directories, so that I instruct the AI terminal to what they find out for some of the countermeasure, the attack vector, etc., and then save to a file in these directories. Okay, so that they will go through their finding again. For example, the attacker detail, etc. This one, and then the recommended countermeasure. Okay, set the firewall rule. Okay, so that they will create a file called analysis dot. Then I said yes. Then I check it. Okay, so they have the analysis text here. So that they have the, for example, the day of the attack here, and then what is the finding, the summary of finding here, and the attacker vectors here, implementation method here, etc., etc. Okay, so so that they have this one. Okay, but this kind of stuff is quite dry to look at it. So I will further ask, please build a web page to present the info in these two files. and you cluster root this file with tab menu. So they will go into this one and then to see they can create a web page. Okay, so that if you want to publish this report in your internal intranet, and then this file is quite dry to look at this one. But this is for example, because this information is not very, very long here. But how about if I can via a web page to present this information in the web page, then I can post it in our intranet web server to let our college to review this internal case here. Then I can call the AI terminal to do it for me. Okay, so that it will create a web page code here. Okay, so yes. Then I will see that this is a index file here. Then I try to open this Chrome jobs here to see this one. Okay, so this one, so that this open this file here, test 7 here, and then it has another report and a rule here, so that I can further refine this one. Okay, let me do this. Okay, okay. It also have some error correction here. They will just fix the 9 here. They will because the rule, the unit class rule, the syntax of the unit class rule maybe have some conflict with the HTML file. Then they will do the corrections, automatic corrections, and so that they are doing here. I also want to now I want to do some adjustment. Please make the point to make this so that please make the section in the section in the analysis file with different type menu. So I want to have more tab menu here, so that it will call. Of course, you can use another model, but just for my demonstration consistent, so that I use this Gemini 3. But you can use another code here, so that you see that we have if you are Ollama, we have a lot of LLM backend. You can see the code here. Maybe the code is much better than here. So it will rerun it, so that they will some quiz to the web page. A lot of after they so that so if you try to according my request, add the quiz here, and then I will reload here, so that it will give me the network traffic analysis report with the summary here, the exact detail here, for example, the IP table, IP address here, etc., and the countermeasure, the urine cost, and also the quiz here, so that it will try to test your college knowledge about this internal report. For example, this one is the FTP here, and the schedule here, and then detect the block here, and then disconnect the network, so that it will give you 4 out of 4 here. Okay, so that you can use this AI terminal to process your internal document, so that and also build a web page to post it in your intranet web server, let your college to review the case here. So that's how you use the AI terminal here. so that you can either, as I mentioned, either you can use your own. Let me quit here. Okay, you can either use your own program here, this one. So everything is under your control. Okay, so all you need just pass your data, your public data to your Ollama backend here. Okay, so nothing more because you will not pass it in your cloud to cloud and other vendor here. Also, you can use etc. You can use the Aider Aider-Chat here. Okay, so that you specify the Ollama model here, and then net this one to this one have a lot of features here. Okay, let me see. This here, it can be this what the file have been created here, and also you can see that lot of features here. Okay, so that according to what you need, you can see either you can build your own program to use the AI terminal, or you can use the public domain here. So for example, this one I have already also tried open interpreters, okay, interpreters, so that it's not difficult to implement here. So you just use the PIP to install this one, and also use this one, except you need to export the API base here, okay? So that, and also you need to have a very good prompt. You have a detailed prompt to instruct your LM what you want at the end. Okay, so that, for example, exactly what the attack vector, etc. Okay, so if you have any suggestion for other AI terminal, please share your idea in the comment below. Okay, I love to hear your feedback. I have updated my GitHub under the LLM for this project. I list the key features here, and also some architecture overview and some sample file. For example, this prompt to instruct the LLM to how to analyze the picket file and what the report include here. And I also have the sampled report here that's generated from the LLM for analysis this BS FTP attack traffic. And also I have this analysis report in the web page format. Okay, so in the demo, I use the LLM to generate some report in the web page here, so that you have a quiz here and this one. But if you can support, you can provide a sample web page for the LLM to generate the web page that you want to, then you can come up with some sophisticated web page. For example, that I give a sample of a web page that I want to the LLM, and then the LLM follow this sample to create a web page under my sample style. For example, they have highlight some keyword here, and then they have a much more sophisticated web style here. So I have, for example, this tweet here. I can choose the answer here. Choose the answer here. For example, I choose the wrong answer here, and then it will give me the result showing that which one is correct and which one is incorrect. So that other is some simple plain text web page. You can just give a sample to your LLM to develop more sophisticated web page here for the malware traffic analysis report here. Okay, so also in the GitHub web page, I also list how to install and run the AI terminal so that you the requirement of the Python, and then also install the AI terminal here and how to run it here. So you can just go into my GitHub link here. I will put it in my video description below. Then you can just go into my GitHub and try to install it, and also view the sample file here. So if you have any suggestion for the AI terminal, just leave your comment below.